add also salt. Tortang talong, masarap. One egg is enough. Kasi maliit lang itong tatlong maliit na organic eggplant. Patapos na kasi yung bunga ng namin talong. Kaya apat ito, kaya lang inulam ko sa white rice, tapos nilagyan ko lang ng asin at saka kumain din ako nito konti. So ihalo ko na lang ito. So, ito na yung mantika. Konting mantika. Ilagay na natin. Ilagay natin ito lahat. Baliktarin natin. Kamayin ko na nga lang. Yan. Tortang talong, common Filipino dish. I make roast for today, fried chicken 5 pieces. Tigi-isa kami. So 1 chicken yung binili nila kay na ngayon. So sabi niya i-roast ko daw itong 5 pieces. And the rest ay ilagay ko ito sa ref. Tomorrow or after tomorrow I will cook chicken curry. So I cook today lunch, organic vegetables, different green leafy vegetables like coriander leaves, rosemary, Chinese pichay, and I mix also potatoes. So yesterday I cook also gisado, munggo gisado. So still I have with ampalaya leaves. And today also I cook tortang talong. I eat already 1 piece. So ayan na kunan ko din ito. And then I have also munggo beans curry yesterday. So alhamdulillah, ito na lang yung ulam namin today for dinner. Marami pa ito, ayan. So maggawa lang din ako ng chapati and then rice for me. Cooking now rice in chimney. Because it's already cold now. Because time is 4:35 p.m. So I'm cooking now here inside kitchen. After this one, I will make also potato chips. Then after that, roast chicken, fried chicken, and then I make chapati.